Welcome back to our Health Lifestyle channel. Here you will find different videos offering fun facts, tips, and suggestions on how to live a healthier and happier life using natural methods and remedies. If you like what you see, please subscribe to our channel and be sure to click the like and share button. Healthy lunch idea that will actually keep you full until dinner. This hearty sub, with mushrooms and lots of melty cheese, is the perfect thing for when you're craving some comfort food for lunch. Roasted mushroom parmesan sandwich. Ingredients: 1/4 c. panko, 1/2 teaspoons dried oregano, 4 large portobello mushroom caps, 4 hero rolls, 4 ounces fresh mozzarella, 1/4 c. grated parmesan, 1/2 c. jarred marinara sauce, parsley. Directions: preheat the broiler. Line the baking sheet with the non-stick foil. In a small bowl, combine 1/4 cup panko with 1 tablespoon olive oil and 1/2 teaspoon dried oregano. Set aside. Place 4 large portobello mushroom caps on the prepared baking sheet and brush with 1 tablespoon olive oil and season with kosher salt and pepper. Place in the oven and broil until mushrooms are just tender and beginning to release juices, 6 to 8 minutes. Transfer the mushrooms to a cutting board and slice 1/2 inch thick. Discard foil. While the mushrooms are broiling, split and toast 4 hero rolls, slice 4 ounces fresh mozzarella, and grate 1/4 cup parmesan. Divide the cooked mushrooms among the bottom halves of the toasted rolls, then top each with 2 tablespoons jarred marinara sauce, 1/4 of the sliced fresh mozzarella, and 1 tablespoon grated parmesan. Broil until the cheese melts, 1 to 2 minutes. Top with the panko mixture, and broil until golden brown, 30 seconds. Sprinkle with chopped parsley before serving, if desired. Do you have other tips you would like to add to our list? Let us know what you think about the video. Don't hesitate to drop a comment below and subscribe to our channel. Check the description below to see our favorite products. Until next time. And remember, a healthy life is a happy life.